Hi, welcome to ASM Pest Exterminator, your one-stop solution to deal with cockroach infestation. This video will provide helpful tips to remove cockroaches from your property. Having a cockroach infestation is quite a frustrating experience. They pose serious health threats as their saliva and excreta cause air and food contamination. Following are some helpful DIY tips. Keep your kitchen clean so that there are no food scraps that attract cockroaches. Food trapped in your temperature and moisture provides breeding spaces for them. Food containers and open foods appeal to cockroaches, so keep the food jars tightly shut. Make the surfaces dry and sprinkle boric acid powder in every corner like doors, around cabinets, and windows. Cockroaches come in contact with it and die. A natural kitchen remedy is to mix lemon juice with water. Spray it on counters and other surfaces. The pungent smell of lemons keeps cockroaches away. Another remedy is to mix equal parts of baking soda and sugar. Sprinkle this mixture around the places where cockroaches are present. Sugar will attract them and baking soda would prove to be toxic. Vinegar and water work the same as lemon and water. Make a solution by adding equal amounts of vinegar and water. Spray it or apply it on the surfaces with a clean cloth or pad. A gel bait station is another way to get control over cockroaches. These stations feed poison and cockroaches die slowly. Their companions eat their body parts, which spreads poison. But these methods can be hectic. If you are tired of severe cockroach infestation, ASM Pest Exterminator is the best option. We work professionally to make your living spaces roach-free in no time.